doesn't change anything. But I love you now. People are watching us.
What is people watching us? This person embarrassing you. Stop engaging you.
Me
What are you
down.
trying to say?
Good on your knees.
On my knees. Why will I need
Do I need that bed?
I don't understand you. You are engaging me. You are standing down. You are telling me. Even your. I don't. They are even telling you to kneel down.
I
Like,
really
don't
love
want-
you. Kneeling down does not show that I love you. I love you, and that is love for you.
Wait,
I have
first,
genuine love.
Wait. Meaning that I
Please
don't
calm
want
down.
it.
People
Like, I
are
don't
here.
want
People
it.
are watching us. People
People
are
are
watching.
watching. You are discussing. You are telling me people are watching. So what?
I really love you from the depth of my heart. I want to show it. It is not by kneeling down. If I kneel down, this is not love anymore. I don't. That is not love. Please, I love you. We have been doing this. We have been in a relationship for more than 5 years, and you should know I really love you.
Ojua, what doing at all is what doing well. So kneel down
There are people here.
and engage her.
I should kneel down. No. If kneeling down means no. If that is to show that I love her, that is not love. I really love you for all this. Why? If I'm going to take you to church, am I going to kneel down will pastor tell me to kneel down to give you wedding ring? Please accept my love. I have sincere love from inside. That is no embarrassment. I really love you. Please take the ring. Please, we have been doing this. Please. Not be until I kneel down, go show say I love you. You know say I love you. We
What
have
are you
been
saying? You are proposing to me. You are standing down. You are telling me that you're doing it. Which type of love? Let me tell you something. Hear me, then you're fucking love. Okay? And this over. Don't touch me. What's the meaning of that? Are you touching me?
No.
What is all this? You called me from far distance and come to this and start embarrassing me. You're engaging me and you're not kneeling down. And I don't want it. Like I don't want it. I don't want someone kneeling down for. Like I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
If that is love, if kneeling down is love, for me that is not love. I
That
really
is
love you.
not-
We
then
love you. I
engage
have for you
yourself.
this.
So we're not calling videos.
Please, I do.
You don't follow me.
Please.
You think that is not-